Wasin Gishu actually county. Yes,
exactly. He was actually there some minutes to 6 a.m. when the polling stations were opening. So commitment to exercising his civic and democratic rights.
And he did talk about it actually. He mentioned that the reason why he's going to do that at 6 is because he made a commitment during the rally, then started by that exactly 6 a.m. Now there's been a bit of a fracas different polling stations, and I was there earlier on, Vicky, where you can see that people are looking for the polling streams where they're voting. So the names have been cast there, but there's still a lot of confusion. We even saw that with who was Raila Odinga's running mate, right, where she went to the wrong polling station and had to be relocated to the next one.
I mean, a couple of hitches experienced this morning, as is expected. Some polling stations not opening on time. Some voters having issues with their biometrics and some reliance on the manual register in various polling stations. In a peculiar case, Trevor, in Riru, there was a polling station by 9 a.m.
Yeah.
No one had.
There was no one there.
So, some interesting happenings across the country when it comes to various polling stations. Babu, what are we seeing there?
Victoria, hizi ni picha za moja kwa moja. Huu ni msafara wa mgombea urais wa Azimio Raila Odinga akiwa nafikiri anakaribia katika shule ya msingi ya Old Kibra ili aweze kupiga kura zake. Atakapo
He's always been voting ever since that started. He just left his current residence heading there, and having been cleared by IBC on the 5th of June 2022 prior to this unsuccessfully contesting the presidential elections.
How do you feel almost 4 hours since the polling station is open and no one in that particular station has been able to hear?
Let's wait and see what they have said. They say they will give us another 11 hours. And people are just asking people to be patient. Then we shall make our comments from there.
That is Raila Odinga just approaching the Old Kibra primary where he's supposed to go and cast his ballot, of course, hosted by his supporters who are taking his rallying call of the Firimbi